So today we'll also try to go through all those people who have not done it earlier with me. They will do it first, and thereafter the people who are sitting behind. आपने किया पहले?
Yes sir, पिछली बार हम लोग.
Okay, I leave it to you, all three of you. In case you are interested, you can do it. If not, then no problem. Right? So all of you will go through the individual obstacles. Okay. Now today we'll going to time you for this. Okay. So you got 3 minutes to do the 10 obstacle, which will be shown to you now. So firstly, I'll just take you around and show the obstacle, which obstacle are supposed to be done by you guys. Okay. So 10 obstacles to be done by you in 3 minutes. Okay. And the way we are going to do this task is that once you are being told the first number, chest number amongst you will get up. Are you sitting in sequence? So kindly firstly sit in sequence. So on being told chest number 121 will move from here and go to the obstacle from where he would like to start. Okay, and he wait for the whistle to be blown. So when I blow my whistle, he will start off. Obstacles, I will show you what are obstacles to be done by you. Okay, we have a number of obstacles over here, but you are supposed to do only 10, which will be told to you, right? And thereafter I will time you. After 2.5 minutes, from here I will shout next, at which chest number 121 will get to know that only 30 seconds are left for him to complete the task. It will also indicate to chest number 136 to get up from where and go to the obstacle from where he wants to start, but he will not start. Okay, and he will wait for the whistle to be blown. So when I blow my whistle next, that will indicate to chest number 121 that his time is over. So he'll get down from whichever obstacle he might at and go to the waiting area. You can see this V-shaped bench sitting over there. Yeah, you go and settle down over there. Okay, and this will also indicate that to chest number 136 that his time has started. So he'll start off. And we'll carry on like this till such time we finish with the last candidate in the group. Okay. So any question the way we're going to go about this task? Right, turn around, piche dekho. I'll just let you know what are obstacles supposed to be gone through by you. Okay, you can look back, yeah. Face the obstacles now. Right, now right in front of you, you can see an obstacle. You can see the rope is hanging in front of you with the platform next to it. What is known as? Tiger leap. So this will be the obstacle number 1. One of the obstacle is this. So you use this platform, use the ladder is there, along with the platform, go on the top of the platform. Once you go on the top from there, you will take a jump and hold the rope with both the hands. Okay, and momentarily hold your position and thereafter come down. While coming down, you must leave one hand at a time. Okay, do not slide over the rope, because slide over the rope, you might pick up some injuries on your palm. And thereafter come down. So this is one of the obstacle of which you are supposed to do. Now ahead of it you can see a commando walk. Clear hai? This is the second obstacle of the course that you have to do. Thereafter you go ahead and see the wall is there, vertical wall, white. This is the obstacle number 3. Now from there you turn towards right, you see the Burma Bridge. That is obstacle number 4. Then towards you see there is a 2 ladders, there is a pipe, balancing pipe. So this happens to be obstacle number 5. Clear? Thereafter you go there, you can see a tire hanging with the help of the rope. That is the obstacle number 6. Right? Now if you move your side towards the right, now you see 2 platforms are there. We call them double platform. This becomes the obstacle number 7. Now again you come towards the right, you see a wall is the vertical rope is there, and ahead of there is a platform. Right? Tarzan Swing, that is. You got it? Everybody can see it. Right. So that is the obstacle number 8. In this case, what you are supposed to do? You have to climb that platform there with the help of the ladder. Once you reach on the top, there will be one helper with you who is going to hand over the rope to you. Okay. And thereafter hold the rope and just take a swing and get into the soft sand there. How many obstacles seen? 8. Now thereafter you come, as you come closer to yourself, you see there is a double ditch. Written also the double ditch Army Navy. Okay. That is the number 9. And just add a double ditch and the Tarzan Swing, you will see a single ramp. That is the obstacle number 10. So they are not exactly in sequence, but these are the 10 obstacles are supposed to be gone through by each one of you.